Hi, I'm Mark, and this is my 2017 bike check. Okay, I'm gonna start at the top. Up here, the grips I'm running, I have ODI. They're not the soft ones, they're just the normal ones, because the soft ones, they rip really fast and they're like really sweaty when you ride in the summer, and it's summer right now. And I hate the ODI bar ends, so I'm running Merit ones. I trust them a lot. So now here, United Supreme 4-piece bars. I got them about a year ago. They're lasting fine. I have a kink stem with Mission bolts. It's like a medium load stem. It's kind of like a little bit front load and a little bit top load. So that's kind of cool. Here I have the Merit headset. I have tall forks, so I don't have to use that much spacers. So that's good. And going down to the forks themselves is the Odyssey R25 forks. Nose manuals are super nice with them. And the wheel here is an Equal Pulse front wheel with 2 Merit tension guards and a volume pegs on the right and Merit GFE pegs on the left. I just got some random salt tire right here. And yeah, I'm gonna move down to this part of the bike. Okay, here I'm running the Merit P1 pedals. These are super nice and the grip is just really good. I have crappy Mission cranks. I broke one of them. A really nice Merit guard sprocket. I had this for a year and there's pretty much nothing wrong with it. And onto the guard I have the Shadow Interlock V2 chain, and there's nothing wrong with this chain either. It's like really good. Moving on to the back wheel, I have the hub is a Merit cassette hub. It's really nice. And I have Merit spokes and the BSD NASA rim. The rim's really nice. And the guards on it are Eclat and G Sport. Both really good. And up in the middle we have a Merit S1 pivotal seat with a Fiend pivotal seat post. And the last thing is my frame. I have a Kink Solus frame. It's Tony Hamlin's signature frame and I love it. It's super light and really good. So yeah, that's my bike check. Thank you for watching.